Assalamu alaikum everybody, welcome back to another class. I am your trainer Muhammad Sanawar, and in this lecture we will see how can we use ripple and rolling edit tool. So come on guys, and let's start this lecture. So first open the Adobe Premiere Pro. Okay, I have downloaded some videos from pixel.com, and you can also download from this website, and the link is given in the description. You can also get free HD videos from pixel.com and other website. Okay, now take some clip from all these videos. First of all, I want a clip from this video. All right, just mark in for starting point of the clip and mark out, drag it and drop here in timeline. And now Adobe Premiere Pro itself create a sequence for us when you have not yet before dropping clip. Okay, this is our first clip, and the next clip I want from this video, marking and mark out, drag and drop in timeline, and the same as that third clip from another video. All right, now if I play my final edit. In previous class we were trimming using selection tool in that way, and then select next clips and bind with it. We are doing this process in 2 steps, but I want to do same thing in 1 step. Then we can also do that. Just go to toolbar and look at here on that icon just over the mouse. The first one is ripple edit tool. If I select this tool and go to timeline, and what will it do? When I trim this clip and as I done, then my next 2 clips will bind with the first clip without creating any space. If I do that process using selection tool, and it will create a space between them, and then I select these clips and drag to that clip to bind. But I have to do extra work. To avoid these lengthy process, we can use ripple edit tool. One thing more, when we trim using ripple edit tool and place my playhead at that point and now trim, so our total duration is decreased. Alright, now move my playhead to that point, and now I want to trim at that point, and my next must be extended to that point. If I select my selection tool and trim this clip, and I want to this clip must be extended to backward direction, but I am doing this process in 2 steps, and we can do in 1 step using rolling edit tool. Just go there and look at here. Here is our rolling edit tool. Select this tool and go to timeline and trim first clip. When we trim first clip, it will show 2 thumbnail in our project window. Thumbnail of left side is the ending point frame of the first video, and the right side thumbnail is the starting point frame of the second video. So using this process, you can have idea of starting and ending frame of both clips, means to say at which point to trim and extend the clip. Alright, now if I play my final edit, so that's it. This tool will be helpful while editing and saving your time. You can use both tools rather than selection tool. Alright, these tools are very interesting and helpful, so must you know about them while editing. Okay, all is done for the today lecture, and I hope you really like this lecture. See you in next class with most important tools, and have a nice day. Allah Hafiz.